Morning world. Just giving y'all a full video of everything in the garden. Just a quick update. It's the Sunshine State Garden channel, and this is the aftermath after yesterday. We moved everything from the concrete slab as far as all the plants. We moved them out in the grass area. We used this a blanket that we don't use, so we're gonna throw this away anyways. And just use that to lay out so we can cover up the dirt and the crabgrass so nothing can grow up in between the pots. And then as you can see, we can see everything in between the pots, so we ain't got to worry about nothing jumping up at us like it did yesterday. Yeah, I'll just give y'all a quick rundown. That way y'all can see everything growing. These babies look so pretty. Got a blueberry. Blueberry getting big. We got to put this in another pot so it can start growing out of control like the rest of these. Aloe doing a lot better. And went from that, I don't know, brown red that you see, dark brown, whatever, beige. Now you see that green coming out. That's exactly what we needed, because I didn't think that was gonna make it, to be honest. I forgot what that is. That's seed. This is strawberry, not from seed. Soursop. It's been growing for some time. Lavender looking good. Flowers starting to bust out. Oh, that's the Scotch bonnet. I'm gonna have to drop the video of wifey doing the Scotch bonnet from seeds so y'all can see that. Marigold, mint, rose bush. Of course, you know you got the tomatoes. Got all the tomatoes out here. Tomatoes growing out of control. Tomatoes growing out of control there. Let me see if I can get it like that. Oh yeah, look at those nice tomatoes. Got some growing right there. Got some down there. Oh, there they go, right there. Got us a nice nice handful of tomatoes. There goes scallion. Those are the tomatoes. You already know this scallion. All this stuff that's in here. The potatoes that need to get up out of there. We need to get those soon. Let's see. What else we got? I'll get y'all the names of all these soon. I forgot what's all in here. Of course, you got the sunflower growing out of control. Y'all remember that? This sunflower, the rosemary, more mint. The lemon balm is going crazy out of control. All right, y'all, just giving y'all a quick update. This ain't gonna be a long video. Just showing y'all everything, all the pretty stuff we got. Everything that's growing out of control. And the pretty lavender. Which one is this? I think that's the spearmint. Yeah, this is the spearmint. The other one is the sweet mint. Lemon balm. More peppermint, rosemary. All right, y'all. Just giving y'all a quick update. Remember, this is the aftermath of us relocating the garden. So if y'all want to check out the full rundown of us relocating the garden, the video is out now. You can go ahead and check that out. And you see how we got from this to this. I haven't given y'all a shot of these mangoes yet. Mangoes looking really good, as always. Got a whole bunch over there ready to drop off. Mangoes, 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 mangoes. We got the fruits, got the vegetables, got the spices. So, tune in. Uh-oh, we got something done right there. Got a few of them done, we just need them to drop. Alright, just give y'all an update of everything. Y'all stay tuned and subscribe and like. We need those subscribers up, y'all. We need the subscribers up. Y'all share it. Y'all like it. If you don't like what we're doing, dislike it. I don't care. Dislike it. Tell us why you don't like it. Tell us what we can do better. Can you do better? I'm not saying you can, but can you? Let us know. We don't care. I don't care. Go ahead and dislike it. Make me step my game up. All right, y'all. It's the Sunshine State Garden. We'll holler at y'all later.